DIY download, new vanity install. Brought to you by Concrobium. Give your bathroom a bright new look with this weekend update. Start with the vanity. Shut off the water supply and disconnect the pipes. Place a rag in the open pipes to block any smells while working on the plumbing. Carefully disconnect countertop from the wall and remove. Next, take the base cabinet away. Treat any mold discovered on the wall behind the cabinets. Use a spray on the surface and scrub mold off with a bristle brush. Before placing the new vanity against the wall, install the new faucets through the back. Be sure to spray the clean wall as well to prevent any future mold from growing. Once the wall is dry, carry the new vanity into place. Finally, reconnect the drain and water supply. Next, remove the old mirror and replace with a larger one. Switch out overhead light bulbs with bright LED bulbs for more energy efficiency. Finish the room by hanging a vibrant shower curtain. Treat the liner curtain for additional mold protection. In just one weekend, your bathroom can have a bright, updated look. This DIY download is presented by Concrobium. Defend your home. Download more great info at DIYnetwork.com.